Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video in the View into Huck's World. And today is Saturday, people. It is time to get out and have some fun. All right, today we got SzaZs in the building again, bringing the noise with another awesome watch face. You all got to check this out. If you're going out, you're hitting the town, and or are you just hanging out at the barbecue, this is going to be the watch face you want to have on your wrist. Now, my man did a really good job in the detailing and the design of this watch face. My man is continuing to raise the roof with these watch faces that he's bringing to the table. And without further ado, let's check out what you all. The name of the watch face is called Hexa Multicolor. My man lit this one up. SzaZs is continuing to raise the roof on these watch faces. This one is totally different from what he's normally used to bringing to the table, and I'm loving it. Continue to do what you do. You're getting down, SzaZs. Listen, let's check out this watch face. First of all, in the AOD mode, you're going to get the same look, the same info. You're also going to get a nice color theme with this watch face in the AOD mode. It looks really nice. Once the watch face is on, my man really went to work on this one. It's geared toward fitness, and it's also geared toward a casual wear. Very nice. Now, let's take a look at it. First of all, dead center, you're going to get a nice big bold digital time with your moon phase dead in the center. At the top of it, you are going to get Friday, your date, your month. Right up under that, Jonathan, 24,000 steps. Jackie, the job is definitely demanding on a Friday, right? Well, check this out. Now, again, it's geared toward fitness. So right up at the top, you're going to get your battery info. Not only does it give you your info, it gives you a meter to represent where you are with your battery life. Same thing for your heart rate. Over here is your animated seconds. Now, this meter here represents how many minutes have passed. The same thing over here is going to represent how many hours has passed, and you get a nice PM stamp in there. Animation is going all the way around the watch, which really makes this watch face stand out. You're going to also get your floors climbed, but you also get your step goal completed. Again, 24,000 steps. Over here is going to be calories burned. The watch face is definitely interactive. So if I tap right here, I can set a shortcut. I got 4 places I can set a shortcut. Here's 1. Well, that's 2. And right here, it's going to be 3. And right here, it's going to be 4. Now, if you want to go into your heart rate, just tap right here to take you into your heart rate. And also, if I tap on the date, I can set an event, or just simply check out my calendar, find out what date it is. And also, if I double tap, I can customize the color theme of this watch face to many different colors. SzaZs really outdid himself with this one. But again, you guys, let me know what you thought of this watch face. Definitely, it's affordable in the Gear Manager store. Check this guy's work out. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Hold up, one more thing. For those of you all who want to set an alarm, right here. Take care.